This is Igor from FX Igor YouTube channel, and right now I will show you how to trade US30 or DAO on MetaTrader platform. First, let me add US30 or DAO in MetaTrader platform, so we can go to the view, symbols. For example, I have indices, I have S&P 500. Here is a US30 or US Dow Jones 30 index. You just need to check show symbol. So when you show this, you will be able to find this instrument. So right now we're going to add US30. Okay, what I will do right now, I will add my preferable template. Okay, I like this. I created a previous video how to have a trading view look of the chart, and you have a video on my YouTube channel, so just search that and you can download the template. However, we'll talk about US30 or DAO, how to trade in MetaTrader, what strategies is the best for US30. So the best strategies that I like are two of them. So the first one is using the any channel indicator or channel created yourself manually. For example, if we add up any channel like this, you will see very easy that we have a simple channel, and it's very good for indices. If you're a long-term trader, what you're looking for, you look that price is below the channel line, then you can enter into trade, and as you can see, usually you will reach your destination because indices during the year usually is going up because the 30 biggest and most traded stocks are usually very good companies, and during the year you will see how the price of that companies rise. So usually it rise. 2022 year was a little bit tough, but then you can short when you see the simple moving average is below 200. So I will just show that here. So I will find a moving average 200 on the daily chart, and as you can see, we are above that line. So when you are above this line, you can apply this strategy very easily just by below the channel and enjoy in trading. Of course, as you can see, the trade from October 2023 when we were below the S&P simple moving average 200. But if you look the chart, like I said, it was the time when the market recovered in 2023, and during this year started to go up again. So if you're in bull market, the best thing is to buy on the, like I said, daily, eventually on the 4-hour chart, but I like on daily chart. So this is the for long-term traders. If you are scalper or if you are intraday trading and you want to find good strategy for DAO, what we can do is to use Fibonacci retrace, because the index is very good Fibonacci retracement. What I do, I insert oscillator relative strength index, and I will show you, just pick, for example, we can pick something like this. For example, we are in October, we had a drop. After that drop, we reach the 30 level relative strength index, and then we started to have a bullish trend line here, and as you can see, you can just play buy on each of these levels or from the beginning, and this is the one of the strategies that I like. This is very simple because it's a full bull period when you just go up, and but if you, for example, you trade like this, you can play with these levels all the time. These levels are very good for Dow index, and as you can see, when you have, for example, a bearish bias, you can try to sell from the higher to lower time frame. If you have a, for example, bullish bias, you choose a different approach. Look this, for example, this is the daily chart. I like a higher time frame. Imagine that we reach the high, for example, on August 26, and we start pull back down. From that moment, you can play with this using all these levels here. The good thing is, usually we have retracement around the 50 level. So in this example, we have 50 level, it touched the 50 level, and after that push higher too. So I like to use Fibonacci retracement, find the low and high, and to play a little bit between that levels. What is very important thing, if you trade on the, for example, just find, if you trade intraday, you should always find the lowest low and highest high and play about that levels. So I always draw the trend line, draw trend index, and for example, this period is bullish. I will only buy. When price, for example, touch multiple times, I always try to make a buy order. Of course, in this example, we have only one touch, but this trend line can be used to find the end of the trend. So here is end of. Now we are bearish. At this point, we are bearish, and we can play with this next day. So, for example, today, if I trade a Dow, I'm bearish below this level. My trend line is bearish, and I will wait what you want to see. If I see the trend line is broken, I switch from the bullish to the bearish, from the bearish to the bullish, and continue trade. The good thing, you can always use trend lines, and using these trend lines, you have an edge. Using the relative strength index, you have the bias. And like I said, you can play either with the Fibonacci retracement levels, either only using this price levels on the trend lines. So this is the strategy number 2. It's a strategy that you have absolutely freedom, but the best thing to enter when trade Dow index is around the highest high, lowest low levels, previous day low, previous day high, previous week low, previous day high, weekly high, etc, etc. So previous high lows are very good to enter into trade or to test some important price levels. So this is it. In this video, we just talk about Dow index. Please, if you have some questions, you can ask me. If you need indicators that I just use, you have my website. There is a newsletter part, and there is a whole strategy that use and analyze with PDF and indicators and everything. So this is it. I wish you a great day, and bye bye.